Hey guys, I'm gonna play this game called Hungry Sharks. I think some of you already have this game. I don't know who has it or not. I don't really know my life anymore. So let's just get to this game. I just got this game like a few days ago, yesterday or the day after. So still a beginner. I used to have this game a long time ago. My phone and my not phone, not my phone. Ah, okay, let's do this. Hope I don't die. Oh look, a turtle. Where are you, friend? I will eat you. Oh, there you are, friend. There's this murdered a innocent, not so innocent turtle. Oh look, diabetic. Why are those humans? Oh yeah, I found a one with a quiz. Coins. I never knew humans could be made of gold. Seagull, thank you. Are there any humans in the surface? I don't think so. That's sad. I'm so lonely. Here! I missed. This way. Ah! Yes! My lunch. So beautiful. So delicious. No, there you are. Yes. There anymore. Fishes can fly. Oh! My breakfast. No, I was so close. My breakfast. Yes. I ate food. That's good for you children. You learn a very valuable lesson today. Ah! Ah! Shark attack! Shark attack! How dare you? How dare you? I saw either friend with diabetes. Yes, I'm rich. I'm rich. Ah, seal. How dare you? Ah! I've been abused. Abused. That's so mean. By seals. Even by seals. That's sad. I never knew seals could attack back. I hate these bombs. No! I'm in bomb alley. I never knew there was actually an alley before. I make great. I make. Ah! No! Abuse! How dare you? Oh, yes, it's gonna show. I'm gonna add it to my collection. Oh, ah! You see, I'm in bomb alley. Oh, yeah. I could get killed by these booms once. I thought we were human. I'll free you then eat you. That's not what we do down here. Ah! Oh no. Oh, you're welcome. Anytime I could like scare people anytime. Ah! No, I died. No, I died again. Please, bombs, have mercy. Yes, high, new high score. I'm so proud of myself. That game, I'm freezing here. Cat. Let's see what kind of fishes I can eat. Yeah. Let's do this, fella. I will kill. Roar, the roar. Game. Nom. It's actually really sad when I eat bombs. I never knew bombs were edible. I could try eating a bomb. Let's see if I can live like these fellas can. So beautiful. So innocent. Not anymore. Ah! Wanna see what happens when you eat a bomb? I missed. I'm so proud of myself. What's it? Okay, I could click that. This is so sad. Wanna see what happens when you... What does happen when you eat a bomb. I feel so bad for its little friend. That's all for today, fellas. Now, you'll see what happens when you eat a bomb. Goodbye.